Hello and good morning, all of you. Good morning, kids. Good morning, parents. This is Divya Sapra from MC International Preschool. We welcome you for Dramatic Saturday. जैसे हम लोग सब जानते हैं, हर सैटरडे 11:30 हम लोग एक लाइव सेशन करते हैं फॉर ऑल आवर किड्स. So today we are live with our two most important part of MCU, that is Master Jalaj. Hi.
Hi.
Miss Ashna. Hi. How are you, kids?
We are fine. We are fine.
So we are gonna learn some good manners today from both of our kids because manners matters. Okay. So parents, हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि manners at early age is how important. I hope you all agree with me. And because manners matters, हम लोग बचपन से ही ट्राई करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चों का इनबिल्ट जो बिहेवियर है वो बहुत ही मैनर्सफुल एंड रिस्पेक्टफुल होगा. बट उसके लिए हम लोग को पहले से ही कुछ मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज किड्स ओनली लर्न व्हेन दे see some good habits in the environment of your home. So, are we guys ready?
Yes.
Today, we'll show some good dramatic scenes in front of all of you guys, which will be performed by Jalaj and Ashna, from which your kids can learn how to behave good person or how to behave with your siblings, friends and your classmates. So, here we go. Scene 1. Greet your parents when you see them in the morning.
Good morning, Father. Good morning, Mother.
Great. Don't forget to greet your parents whenever you see them in the good morning by saying good morning, good afternoon and so on. The second scene goes like this. When you knocked into somebody by accident.
Oh, you hurted me. Sorry. It's okay.
So friends, हम लोग को ये बहुत ज़रूरी है सिखाना. गलती से भी किसी को धक्का लग जाए, don't forget to say sorry. Sorry is a small word, but it can create wonders. तो हम लोग को बचपन से ही सिखाना है the importance of saying sorry. Okay, let's go further. When you receive gift from others, what will you say?
Here is your gift. Thank you for inviting me to your birthday party. Thank you for coming.
So, whenever you are going to any party like birthday party, anniversary party or something like that and you receive gift from them, so don't forget to say thank you. Thank you again is a very magical word. So friends, हम लोग को ये ध्यान रखना है, we have to say sorry whenever it is required. We have to say thank you whenever it's required. Okay, let's go further. Whenever you are leaving from your home.
Ashna, I am going and I will be back soon. Have a good day. Same to you. Bye. Have a nice day.
So whenever your big brother, your father or anyone from your home is leaving from your home, don't forget to say goodbye.
Bye.
Have a good day. Enjoy. Moving further, कुछ ऐसे सीन्स देखने वाले हैं हम लोग जो आप अपनी स्कूल्स में भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हो with your teachers and with your friends. Greet your teachers whenever you see them in your school.
Good morning, Roma ma'am. Good morning, children ma'am.
Very good. So when you will greet them, your teacher will keep smiling for her full day. So keep smiling whenever you are into school and don't forget to obey your teacher. Okay, kids? I hope Jalaj and Ashna, you are enjoying this video.
Yes.
Okay, let's go further with our next scene, and that is what will you wish your parents before you go to bed?
Good night, Father. Good night, Mother.
And you can also give tight hug to them, and you can also give them good night kissy. Very good. So friends, ये बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं बट हम लोग को ध्यान रखना है कि हम लोग बचपन से ही हमारे किड्स में ये हैबिट्स इनबिल्ट करते जाएंगे. ओके, मूविंग फर्दर. आर यू किड्स रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट सीन?
Yes.
Okay, so whenever you need help from others, what will you do?
Ashna, can you please bring me a glass of water? Okay. Here. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome.
Very good kids. So let's check कौन कौन हमारे साथ आज लाइव वीडियो में शामिल है. I think many fathers and mothers. I think Diya's father is there. Hi sir, good morning. Good morning from MCU team. And don't worry, हम लोग दिया को भी ये सब सिखा रहे हैं यहाँ पे स्कूल में. Yes kids, right?
Yes.
Okay. I know Sachi's father and Sachi's mother is also there in our video. And रिधव की मम्मी भी है. Kids, देखो आप लोग को कितने सारे पेरेंट्स देख रहे हैं लाइव. सो डोंट फॉरगेट, आप जब भी स्कूल में आ रहे हो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू टीच गुड मैनर्स टू आवर किड्स, राइट?
Yes.
Okay, let's go further. Invite your guest to sit whenever they visit your home.
Hi Ashna. Hi Jalas. Come in. Please take a seat. Thank you.
Yes, friends. Don't forget to invite your friends. Don't forget to offer a chair. Or what else you can do, Ashna, when they come to your home?
We could bring a glass of water.
Very good. Just like that, you just did. Okay, glass of water you can offer. You can offer tea or coffee, or you can offer juice. Very good, girl. Okay. Now, moving further, we have very important thing, and I hope आप बहुत अच्छे से वो teach करोगे अपने छोटे छोटे students को. Listen attentively when others are speaking. Chalas, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are gonna have a small review on your result. So the score you have get in maths and science are very nice. I'm so proud of you, my kid.
Thank you.
But I think you have to push a little bit harder in languages. Like,
Ashna, please be attentive. Man is saying something. Okay.
so, very good. Kids, we have to be very attentive whenever our teachers, our parents or any elders are speaking to us. And we should pay 100% attention to them, what they are telling us or speaking to us. Okay? Are we guys ready?
Yes.
Are we guys understanding each other?
Yes.
Okay. So, ये वीडियो आपको बहुत सारे लोगों को दिखाना है कि आपको ऐसे ही बिहेव करना है जब आपके टीचर्स आपके साथ बात कर रहे हो. So, but I was very much sure, Jalaj, you have to be very attentive for Hindi and Gujarati. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़े हम लोग.
Yes.
Okay. The next thing is very important for all siblings, for all brother sister, for all friends and all classmates. क्योंकि ये रोज की बात है जो घर पे या तो स्कूल पे होती ही रहती है. Do not fight with each other.
Hey, I'll sit on the chair. No, I'll sit on this chair. No, I purchased it. I will sit on it. No, I'll sit on it. I will call my mother. I'll call my father. Let's do one thing. Today you sit, tomorrow I will sit. Okay? Okay. Yes.
ओके फ्रेंड्स, जैसे इन लोगों ने कुछ सोल्यूशन निकाल लिया अपने अपनी प्रॉब्लम का, क्योंकि चेयर एक ही थी पर बैठने वाले दो. तो ये हमारे घर में रोज की बात है कि एक फेवरेट चेयर सबकी होती है. whenever you are like having your lunch or dinner, पर्टिकुलर एक सीट रहती है कि जहाँ पे आप बैठना चाहते हो. इन दैट केस क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग?
Turns ले सकते हैं.
वेरी गुड. हम लोग टर्न ले सकते हैं कि इफ यू आर सिटिंग फॉर लंच आई विल बी देयर फॉर डिनर. और एक हफ्ता मेरा टर्न, एक हफ्ता आपका टर्न. बट वी शुड नॉट फाइट ever for our friends, for our siblings, or for our classmates. Okay, fine. Moving further, let's take a next scene. Do not snatch other people's thing.
Hey, give it back. It's mine. I will use it. Please, can I use it? I want to color. Okay. Thank you. Welcome.
ओके सो हम लोगों ने देखा कि पहले जब आशना ने स्नैच कर लिया थे जलज के कलर्स, तो जलज couldn't like or couldn't resist himself by shouting. But जब आशना ने रिक्वेस्ट किया, आशना आपने क्या बोला जलज को? वापस एक बार बताइए.
Please, can I take it? I wanted to color my picture.
Yes. So the very magical word here we learned is please. Very good. So sorry, thank you, please. Whenever you are requesting someone, they will feel good and they will allow you to use their things. So we should always ask for the permission whenever you are using some other person's thing. Okay? आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है ना kids?
Yes.
I hope you are enjoying. Okay. चलो हम लोग बहुत जल्दी बहुत सारी चीजें सिखाने जा रहे हैं बच्चों को. So next is greet your neighbors when you see them.
Hi uncle, how are you? Hi auntie, how are you?
So we all know that neighbors are our extended family. और वही लोग हमको काम आते हैं सुख में दुख में, क्योंकि हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स हो सकते हैं बहुत दूर रहते हो, पर नेबर्स तो हमारे आजू बाजू रहते हैं. तो हम लोग को आधी रात को भी काम होगा तो किसको फोन करेंगे हम लोग? नेबर्स को. तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी पोलाइट, वेरी काइंड एंड वेरी हेल्पफुल टू आवर नेबर्स. और उसके लिए क्या करना है? जस्ट डोंट फॉरगेट टू ग्रीट देम व्हेनेवर यू सी देम. स्माइल एंड से हाय, हाउ आर यू? एंड इफ I'll ask how are you Ashna, what will you say?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Very good. So do not forget to greet your parents or give smile or ask for their help, because manners matters. Okay. So moving further, very important scene is coming for all of you kids. Do not interrupt when others are speaking.
Ma'am, listen to me. Ma'am, listen to me. Ashna, they are talking. Let them finish their talk. Have some patience. Ma'am will talk you after they finish their talk. Okay.
Very good. It happens at our home, at our school, and maybe some other place. घर पे भी बहुत सारे बड़े लोग रहते हैं हमारे. अगर वो लोग कुछ बात कर रहे हैं तो we should not disturb them while they are talking. Correct?
Yes.
And in school also, maybe principal sir was talking. Principal sir is talking to teachers, or some teachers are talking to each other. We should not disturb them. If it's very urgent, what you can do, kids? You can ask your teacher, "Ma'am, it's very important. Please, can I have your attention for 2 minutes?" And if it's not too urgent, you have to be patient, just like Jalaj told us to do that. बिकॉज हम लोगों को ध्यान रखना है कि टीचर्स को अंदर अंदर भी बहुत सारी बातें इम्पोर्टेंट करनी होती है, तो वी शुड हैव पेशेंस. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़े हम लोग. ओके, कवर योर माउथ व्हेनेवर यू आर स्नीजिंग.
Ashna, here's the handkerchief. Always cover your mouth while sneezing. Okay, thank you.
वेरी गुड. सो गुड मैनर्स में हमारी हाइजीन भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. हम लोग को हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. वी हैव टू यूज हैंडकरचिफ व्हाइल स्नीजिंग और यॉर्निंग. ओके किड्स, बिकॉज हमारी हेल्थ भी इतनी ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो और एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज इसके साथ हम लोग क्या बता सकते हैं हमारे छोटे छोटे टॉडलर्स को?
Always wear a mask when you are going out of your home, and frequently wash your hands with water and soap.
Okay, सो अलॉन्ग विथ कोविड प्रिकॉशंस हम लोग को बच्चों को ये भी दिखाना है कि जो नॉर्मल हाइजीन प्रोसेस है उसको भी नहीं भूलना है. टू ब्रश योर टीथ हाउ मेनी टाइम्स अ डे?
2 times.
ओके, 1 in the morning and 1 before?
Sleeping.
ओके, गुड. एंड सम मोर मैनर्स जो आप लोग को बच्चों को बिल्कुल 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 भी नहीं भूलना है सिखाना. दैट इज लव योर पेरेंट्स. एम आई राइट?
Yes.
Are you loving your parents
Yes.
daily basis? Are you showing them that how much you love them?
Yes.
Okay, love your parents, siblings, your friends, your neighbors, whatever or whosoever in front of you. Do not use bad language. Okay, am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, use polite phone protocols. आप लोग को पता है अभी तो आप लोग सबके पास मोबाइल है क्योंकि आप लोग सब स्कूल अटेंड करते हो मोबाइल में. अगर किसी का फोन आ गया, हाउ विल यू टॉक टू देम? पोलाइटली एंड जेंटली, सॉफ्टली. वेरी गुड. स्टे क्लीन. Clean all your body parts and take shower 2 times a day. Once in the morning and once
Before sleeping.
Okay, so that's all for the day. I hope जलज एंड आशना ने बहुत सारे सीन्स आपके सामने क्रिएट किए, बहुत सारे सीन्स आपको परफॉर्म करके बताए. और लास्ट में आप लोगों को एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हमारा मास्टर जलज बताने वाला है, एंड दैट इज
Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube page and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
very good. Say bye-bye to everyone, kids.
Bye.
This is Divya Sapra from MC International Preschool saying you goodbye and have a great week. See you on next Saturday.
Saturday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye Ashna. Bye Jalaj.
Bye.